Teka. Hindi kami yun ah. Ang tagal naman kasi mag-upload nila Quiz Gio.
Hinto muna tayo hanggang kubo. Babaring pa doon si Bird.
Oh, sige. Silipat kami pa.
Yung pangalan pala talaga 7-Evelyn. Kala ko joke lang.
Hindi, yung kulay niya kasi pang 7 Evelyn. Tingnan mo mamaya. Mamaya titingnan natin.
Ganda ng ganun yun. Yes.
Ayun.
Pero kapag ganyan. Ito, ano ba? Ilalagay na lang natin sa sako. Ako.
Sa kanila rin ba to?
Isang mahaba.
Sali na lang natin. Kasi ito po ate, sasali na lang po namin yung mineral.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Nilog-nilog?
Saan ma? 10 pesos lang. Pinta po. Ang ganito po. 30 ma. Ako yun mahal po.
Ano yung gusto nyo nung nasa ano ngayon?
Ito lang.
Ito na lang.
Opo.
Sumutikman?
Kasi okay. Chocolate yun.
Ito ma'am.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Abutan mo na sila kuya mo, sa tita Bird, si mami.
Ay, di. Oh. Ay, sige po. Iiwas ko na lang po.
Ano ma'am?
Kailangan namin natin 7 ano to eh. 7 Evelyn eh.
San Miguel.
Salamat po. Oo, Loy.
Guys, sabi lang kami ng tubig. Ang sasakyan. Lilipat kami ng spot. Ibang spot naman. Let's go.
How about ice? Shanti, bitin? Bitin? Ice cream?
Eto.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Ay, yes. Medyo madilim na. Punta tayong tindahan. Hanapin natin kung saan sila nagpunta. Ay.
Ganito ano nila, Pampangas best. Magkano si ganito? Magkano?
Patuloy ang investigasyon sa mga posibleng tumulong
Apat na yun.
ang nagsuslit ni Mayor Alice Go palabas sa bansa.
Nagulat ako.
Pagpapagitan ng katiwalian na nagpapahina sa justice system sa bansa.
Nasaan si Bulag? Bulag. 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 Naalala niyo pa ba siya? Yung asong pinangalanan namin Bulag? Yung asong bigla na lang sumulpot habang nagsasaya kami sa dagat. Ito na siya at tuluyan nang sumama sa camp namin. At ang sabi ng mga lokal dito, hindi daw nila kilala si Bulag at ngayon lang nila siya nakita. Saan nga kaya galing si Bulag? Yes, si Bulag. Wala kanina.
Bulasky, where you from?
Kanina pa niya kami sinusundan. Tapos,
Hindi nga siya kilala niya.
hindi siya kilala ng mga tiga dito.
Si Papa yan. Ngayon lang daw nila
Sorry.
nilabang.
So hindi namin alam kung kanino yung ate siya.
Wala umaamin eh.
Si Bulag. Bulag, saan ka nakatira? Ha? Ay, hindi. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga kilala. Kasi kung lokal dito yan, hindi siya tatahulun itong mga to. Di ba? No?
Angat, tapos di ba kanina bibigyan pa tayo ulam dapat. Tinola.
Ah.
Bula.
Deep in my heart, I know you're irreplaceable. Together, unstoppable. And I feel your frequency, feel your love around me. I'm drowning in my mind, don't wanna let you down. We're running round in circles, our love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing, I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're what my mind painted. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight, baby, 'cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heartbeat to save it, 'cause your love's underrated. Cause your love's underrated.
Morning guys. So, ito namin dito sa Agno, Pangasinan. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung setup. Tuloy pa sila. Yan. Yung setup. Tamang tent lang. Mas maganda dito. Maganda yung resort nila dito. Mas maganda yung spot dito kaysa sa spot namin kahapon. Ay, si mama guys, lalakad-lakad siya doon. Tapos ito si Paula, nag-set up ng camping chair. Gusto rin yung tumambay doon. Yun lang guys, pinakita ko lang yung spot namin.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. under attack, running far, far away. And I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
Mama namin.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
I regret my confession, I shouldn't have spoken, 'cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
Tamang chilling lang with bulag. Kasi bulag. Local dog dito. Bulag. 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 Dito. Psst. Si bulag. Kasi bulag din sa inyong mata. Tamang chilling lang. Nabantayan mo. Diba? Actually, di nga namin alam kung bulag pangalan nito eh. Wala talaga pangalan nito eh. Okay ka lang? Ha? Si Paula. Kanina naglakad-lakad si mama. Nung una kasama ka, kaso iniwan mo daw eh. Ba't mo iniwan, bulag? Bulag. Ba't mo iniwan? Naway ka ng ibang aso doon. Kaya tumakbo ka. Maya kain ka ulit ha.
Lag, pagpagod ka na, takbo ka lang. Sabay ka ron.
Hindi na kami ha.
Dito may buhay isla. Dito may buhay isla. Parang buhay aso.
May pag-friends ka kasi sa mga dogs dito, parang hindi ka maaaway. Minsan, may mga bagong lugar tayong napupuntahan. At minsan, sa mga lugar na to, ay hindi nating inaasahan na may bago tayong kaibigang makikilala. Gusto ka man namin isama bulag sa pag-uwi namin ay alam namin hindi pwede. Dahil sigurado, meron kang among naghihintay sa'yo pa uwi. Sana ay may mas marami ka pang makilala at maging kaibigan bulag. At maraming salamat sa pagbabantay mo sa amin ng pamilya ko. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Kuya, ako po, 5 kong ganito. Napagod ka ka rin sa dagi. Sinain daw ba?
Papa, ito mo ba? Nga.
Sarap?
Parang onion lang, no?
Yung gusto namin eh. Free taste. Sarap ba?
Natikman mo ba yan?
Parang gusto ko 20 PM.
Yan na.
Kumain na lang kami.
Nakabilin lang.
Kunin ko ba yung sinaing?
Takot ba ito?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap?
Yeah.
Ay, parang UFC.
Sarap. So yummy. Daming binili ni Shanti ah. Good. Taob ang free taste.
Yeah, boy. Ay, masarap. Duka.
Gusto mo nga, mabila ko niyan.
Magkano daw yun? Murang pasalubong, free taste available. Libre pa ang driver mo. Yan, nag-stop over kami dito. Dahil sa free taste. Hindi. Bumili kami ng mga pasalubong. Solid. Solid dito guys, solid. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like